we'll guide you through how to connect Asana and Google Sheets. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Google Chrome on your computer and visit the Asana website. Once the website loads, click Get Started to begin accessing your Asana account. After clicking Get Started, enter your email address in the provided field. When your email address has been entered, click Continue to proceed to the next step. After continuing, check your email inbox and find the verification code sent by Asana. Enter the verification code into the required field on the Asana page. Once the verification code has been entered, click Verify to complete the verification process and access your account. After successfully signing in, open the project that you want to connect with Google Sheets. When the project page appears, locate the Customize button in the top right corner and click it to open the customization panel. Inside the customization panel, select Apps to view the available integrations for the project. In the Apps section, search for Google Sheets using the search field. After Google Sheets appears in the app list, select Google Sheets to open the integration information. Once the Google Sheets option is selected, click Learn More to view additional details and connection instructions. After opening the information page, follow the connection instructions provided to continue setting up the integration. Carefully read each instruction and complete the required steps to connect Asana with Google Sheets. When the instructions provide a link, click the link provided to continue the setup process. The link will direct you to the required page for completing the installation or connection. After opening the provided link, click Install to begin installing the required connection or integration. Check that Asana and Google Sheets are properly connected and ready to work together.